My real name's Kemba, in case you're curious. Thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. I know. It's new. But first, I have business I have to attend to. I had to tell you guys about the curl chefs, which is my previous video. I will link that above. Anyway, so as you know, I used their leave-in and their curl dip, and then did a braid out. Hair was fluffy, hair was popping, hair was super soft, moisturized, all that. And it stayed moisturized. I had, before I actually got my hair done, it was out for about 5 days. So the definition lasted 2. And then after that, I put it up in a puff. It was literally just an afro after those 2 days. But it was still moisturized the whole time. So I would recommend using a gel or like jelly or custard, whatever you guys use on top of your creams to make like your hair stay more defined longer, make it last longer. So that's my only thing. Besides that, love it. But now what you're here for obviously is to talk about my new soft or distressed faux locks and my experience. I got footage to show y'all so you can see like every step what I went through to get to this stage, because I know these are popular, so people are probably wondering like, oh, how are these done? So at first I went to my cousin's shop to get them done. I cannot do hair. Like I could do like natural, like regular hair, but I can't do stuff like this. Actually, you know, I'm never gonna try it, but I might be able to, you know, it's a little. Anyway, so my cousin, she separated all my hair, you see all my parts, then she braided my hair, just like my regular natural hair, she braided it, and then she went and crocheted this spring twist hair. It's a color 1 if anybody was curious. And it's for spring or bomb twists. I don't know the difference. But she crocheted that into my braid, like right here, and then she kind of like held it close, and then she went in and crocheted this free tress water wave hair, also in a color 1, and it's 22 inches. And then she took this hair and wrapped it around all of the hair. So it wrapped around my hair and wrapped around the spring braid hair, whatever. And that's what made it, like, it gave it a fuller look, because if she had just did the water wave on top of my braid, I'd be looking crazy right now. Yeah. So, oh, disclaimer, this is her first time doing it, so she did have to redo like a couple in the back. Well, actually I think like the first one she had to like do it and then redo it, but she finally got the hang of it and it came out cute. So props to her. Thank you for letting me be your guinea pig. Anyway, yeah, so that's pretty much what she did. I'm gonna show you the clips so like you can like really understand, because clearly I just told you I didn't show you anything. So I'm gonna add those clips in and add some commentary so you know at which step we were at for everything. Cool. So this clip is just my hair completely blow dried out. I wanted to show how much my hair has grown since January of 2019 when I first dyed it. So the first step for the faux locks is for her to get the base right, and the base was just individual braids, like how you braid your hair before you take it out for a braid out. Just a reminder, this was my cousin's first time doing this, so I made sure to show her second faux lock that she worked on, because the first one she had a little bit of problems with, so this is actually the second one. The first thing she does, like I mentioned before, is that she adds the spring/bomb twist hair in first for thickness, and then she crochets in the free tress water wave hair on top of it to give the faux lock a more soft and silkier look and texture. So this is just another clip of her doing the same exact thing. I skipped her, you know, actually crocheting the hair in, but I just wanted to show from a different angle. It's probably easier for you to see. And she actually wrapped the hair around the ends to make it stay. She didn't need any nail glue. I guess she used the more kinky texture hair and wrapped that instead of the silkier texture water wave hair. So this right here is showing her go back up the strand of the hair to keep the lock in place. Like I mentioned before, she used the kinkier hair and wrapped it around the bottom of a few times just so it wouldn't come loose. So now that you've seen all the steps and the process and everything, I'm just here to say I love it. I love it. That's it. I'm getting this again. I don't know when, but I'm gonna get it again because I love it. But yeah, that's literally it. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.